Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed projects like the Superheroine project, where at the end of this little short story, there's actually a game where you fly around as a superhero or heroine. Now, I want to show you a neat idea that's kind of like that. All right, the project we're going to take a look at is called Cat Dash, and it is by Energy Codes, and it's kind of like the project that I was just describing. However, when you play it, let's go with medium. So you're able to jump and crouch. So we got our jump button. Okay, but if we touch one of these blocks, it actually makes it so that it changes the way that you look. So now my size is smaller. Oh, it's now going to change the color, and then it clears the graphic effects, etc. And then if you touch this, then you lose one of your lives. And then eventually, if you touch too many of them, then you fail. So this is a really neat idea. Not only does it have the idea of things flying at you from the side, just like the Superheroine project, it's got 3 different modes for easy, medium, and hard. And when you touch one of those different blocks, that actually changes the way your character looks. So I thought this was a really neat idea. If you want to create a project like this, make sure you check out the links in the description. And if you created a really neat project that you want me to take a look at, make sure you comment below so I can take a look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.